In this video, I will show you an easy way to tidy things up by creating albums and playlists using the Facebook app on your phone. This will work for anyone, be it a fashion designer, a teacher, a musician, even event planner, a chef, real estate agent, a photographer, or a business owner, and more. This will make your Facebook look clean, organized, and more professional. The first thing you are going to do is to open your Facebook app and log in into your account. Tap on your profile icon and look at the top right. You will see another icon. Tap on it and that will log you into your page. On your page, tap on your profile icon again. Then scroll down to Photos. Tap on Photo. Then next, tap on See All. Then a page will be open to you, which you're going to see Create Album. You can click on the plus sign and then you enter the name and choose your privacy settings. For Facebook page, by default is public. You might decide to change that if you want. You're going to see Add Photos/Videos. You get into your camera roll and you select either the photos or, we're working on albums, so I advise you select photos that you want to upload on that album. To create a playlist is the same. The only difference is that on the playlist, you are going to have videos. You can go back to tap on your profile icon again if you want to start all over. Page will be open to you whereby you need to give it a name you want. For this tutorial, I'll be naming mine Hair Training Tutorials. So once you're done, you click on Save. Then another page will be open to you whereby you're able to click on the plus icon to add your videos on that playlist. And that is how to go about it, creating playlists for your videos. The next option you can try out is using the Facebook Meta Business Suite app. Before you dive in, you need to know that the Meta Business Suite app is almost the same format as YouTube Studio if you've used that before. So once you download, you open it, then you log in. I've already logged in. That is why you are seeing all this information. Then you go to the bottom left, you see a place with two boxes. Under it, you see content. You click it. So once you click that, at the top right hand corner, you will see Create. So one of the things about this Facebook Meta Business Suite app is that you have to upload a picture first or a video first before you can be allowed to create an album or a playlist. So this option is telling you that which feed do you want to publish. So I'm only publishing on Facebook news feed. That means where you want to post the video or the picture. Also, you can do that. You can also click the group at the bottom if you belong to a group to also create that. So I will click Done. And then I will click on Photo and Video. And that will take me to my camera roll. I will select the image I want. I will click on Done at the top right hand. You can write your description. I'll just write test 6. Then after that, you click on Next at the top right hand corner. And here you have the option of publishing now, schedule later, or save as draft. So I'm going to click on Publish now just for this video's sake. So I will click on Publish at the top right hand corner here. Then we wait for it to publish. Okay, so you can see it has posted it. It's a great job and all that. Okay, but that's not what I want. We'll go back now. I will click on Cancel here. Then I will click on Not Now. So at the top here, you're going to see some headings here. You see stories, mentor and tags and photos. So I'll click on Photos. I'll click on Photos. You can see it's there. Then I'll click on See all, you can see here that you now have the chance of creating an album. You click on the plus sign, give it a name you want. Let's say Photos 2025. Then you click on save at the top right hand corner here. Then you wait for it to save, and that's how you can create your album and playlist with the Facebook Meta Business Suite app. So let's say that you've been using your Facebook page for a while and you've been posting without organizing them into album or playlist. So what you can do is this. You are going to scroll down. Once you log into your Facebook play, click on the icon, you scroll down to photos, you click on photos, you click on see more. You can see these are all the albums you've created. But if I go back a step now, you're going to find out that here you can see this, especially this picture here, is not in any album. And if I go to the top right hand corner with these three dots here, if I click it, you find that I have delete, I have save, I have copy, photo, share, edit privacy, edit caption, and all those stuff. But you've been wondering, why is there no way you can save to an album you just created? It's not possible on the Facebook mobile for now. So even when you click on share, it's only showing you to share to the feed, and then other options and other options you have here. Let me say see more. Let's see, in case, so that I will check everything for you. You can see there's no way any of the album you've created is appearing for you to put them inside the album of the playlist. So what you're going to do is this. All these photos and videos, they are scattered in your Facebook page. So what you need to do is you go back and save them. So look at it now. If you click on these three dots, I will save the picture. So the only disadvantage is that it's a tedious kind of work for you to do. Imagine you have about 1 million photos or videos, so you now need to save everything before you are able to upload. So that is the only way for now. So you save it first to my camera roll. You can see at the bottom here, you can see saved. Okay, so now I'll go back and then I'll go click on see more, and then I'll create the album. So let's name the album photo. Let me just say photos. Let's say these photos you took is around 2024. I'll just do photos 2024 and we'll click on save. Okay, you can see it's there. Then you follow the same process like I've explained on how to create album and playlist and how to add your photos and videos to it. So you click on this plus icon. You can see that this photo in my camera roll. Then you click on next. Then I will click on upload. I can decide not to save it to public, but by default Facebook page is in public. So I'll click on upload. You can see here at the top here it's showing posting, then posted. Then I will go back. So let me go and check it. So look at this. You can see photos 2024. I'll click on it. You can see the picture is right there. So that's how you are going to do for your photos and your videos to get them organized in this album and playlist. But there is a way you can do it alternatively. If you want me to do video on that, I can do that. You can open your Facebook app from your phone using desktop view. So that will give you a more chance to see more tools you can do. But better still, you can just log in through your laptop or computer. You can log into and then open it through the web browser, and then you're going to see a lot of tools you are going to use on that. So if you want me to do video on that, I will also do that. So this is how you can organize your scattered photos and videos in albums and playlists. So next time you want to upload your photos and videos, the step is to go to your photos, click on see more, create the album first, then you can now start adding your pictures or photos to that album. Likewise, if you are doing for videos, you create the playlist first. You can click on see more. Like I said, it's the same way you create the album, then you do the same process that you've used in creating album to create your playlist. If you like videos like this, tap the like button, share and subscribe, and don't forget to check my next video.